My name is Doug Quay. I'm the founder, CEO, and chairman of MyBambu. We are a fintech, also known as a neobank. We provide banking products to underserved Latinos in the United States. There are probably 20 to 30 million Latinos in the U.S. that are unbanked or underbanked. We provide an FDIC-insured account, a linked Visa card, and our customers can send money to 18 countries in Latin America at a very low price. They can pay bills, domestic and international, for themselves and their family. That's our basic mission, to help the underserved, and we expect to have over 1 million customers by the end of next year. For many of these customers, they don't really understand what a bank account is, and they have lots of questions. And so we're able to handle those questions to help them through the process. We're there holding their hands every step of the way. We've got videos and how-tos to try to get comfortable with opening the account. The ones that need the most help are the recent arrivals that have never had access ever to a debit card, to a bank account, so it takes a lot of education to get them comfortable. We are more than just a card program. We have a very robust middleware and connect to the Galileo system through APIs to connect the mobile app to the back-end core system. In order to do that, we've spent a fair amount of time building all that so that we're able to bring in products and services that we can connect to the core. We switched from a prior processor to Galileo. We did it in 3 months. Extraordinary. No one ever does that. The Galileo team has been an extension of ours, and we've really enjoyed the partnership and really happy with what's been happening. We require that they produce an ID from the country of origin. We have a back-end processor that checks it. They take a selfie. The selfie is then checked with facial recognition software against the picture on the ID. We know who our customers are. It isn't a situation where they're coming into the platform and they're giving us a social security number, which could be stolen. We have streamlined the boarding process within minutes. We accept over 500 ID types. We're able to take those ID types and board a customer very rapidly. Once they open the account, it's immediately available activated digital card. They can embed it with Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, or Google Pay. And if they want a card, they can order it. We'll ship one to them. We want to take advantage of the $110 billion that's sent annually out of the United States into Latin America, and that number grows every year. We are going to be issuing directly with Galileo and issuing banks cards in Latin America so that we'll be able to move funds out of the U.S. account into the Latin American account. The government of Mexico has been trying to support converting unbanked Mexicans to a bank account for decades. The problem, if mom doesn't have any money on those accounts, she's not going to use them. With what we're doing, we're connecting the accounts in the U.S. to take advantage of the $110 billion sent to Latin America annually. Mom then is going to have money on that card, and that unbanked mom won't go back. She'll use that card, she'll want it to be funded, she'll get a hold of her relatives on WhatsApp, and she'll say, I need more money, and she knows it comes right away. It's the funding part that's been missing. That's what we're trying to take advantage of with our partnership with Galileo. Derek has been very helpful to us, very supportive. Philip Cormier and Susan, those were the three that we were working with extensively. Whenever I need help implementing a new product or implementing a new service, the Galileo team's always been able to provide the additional resources that we need to hit our timelines. It's been a pleasure working with Galileo simply because we're able to work with them in a rapid fashion to roll out products and services that we need. I just want to thank everybody at Galileo for all the time and interest that they've invested with us. We're going to continue to enjoy the partnership as we grow. Thank you very much.